back to the XG Nuzlocke, and we're lagging. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. It was 3 frames there for like 8 seconds. We're just healing up after the last fight we had Mirror Bait, reclaim the second of 3 missing Shadow Pokemon we have. And then there's Absol. That's all left. That depends on if Mirror Bait feels like he wants to show up or not. But for now, we're just going to push on to this key layer. Hopefully the hardships from the last 3 episodes are on. Now in the base game, this place is where you start seeing trainers with 2 Shadow Pokemon on the team. Though I think there's a few people with 3 in here. Because we've already seen people with 2. First things first, we go in here, because there's a 9 box. These guys would mention a Shadow Hole, or not Shadow Hole, or Shadow Dragonite. In this game, it's a Shadow Hole. There's the last Shadow Pokemon you can get, only at the post game, so no point in worrying about that. And yeah, we're heading down here. 3 revives, 1 1E, that's fine by me. There's another item down here. There's also a trainer. Edna? Oh, I'm sorry, Edna. Well, that seems hard to clear. We're gonna have good switching. Sanzu. Yeah, we're just gonna try kill the Heracross off rip. Ooh, okay. Not as worried now. Oh! You probably pack a flamethrower? If I had to hazard a guess. Plus 1 attack, stab, leech life into artillery. Yeah, I figured as much. Ooh. Rock Blast, the pincer. Please don't be 5 times. 3. Oh. Okay, thank God, this game is lowering my life expectation by every time I boot it up. Psychic. Dirty. They're fine. And we kill the right horn. Or right on. Technically, that's an illegal right on. Did I buy healing items? Looks like I did. We do this to make sure Best Mime can't do much. Oh, faster? Low priority move? Speed tie. One of the 2. Wasn't too bad. And we got a free burn or a Zangoose. Went very smoothly thanks to Mr. Pincer. Although, that being said, I really don't need you to lead anymore, huh? Although, that was actually a really good lead. This is the item I want. Yes, I know it's large to get there. SM01. This is a custom thing in this game. Teachable shadow moves. And most Pokemon colored. So we got Shadow Take on it, and the only move from the first game. Only Shadow Type move in the first game, so that's cool. I like the music in here, it's pretty ominous. Immy? Timey? Nose Pass and Sand Slash. This game's just hostile to my leads. But hey, we have Kabuki as well. There's no harm there. Oh, yep. I've been playing Pokemon in my spare time. Like in a Pokemon game. And I had a horrendous luck streak today, like before recording this. I got flinched by a Dragon Rush 7 times in a row and missed 3 consecutive meteor matches, which has a 10% chance to miss. Yeah, so that's well, I don't really need to justify my luck. There's a recording in this place about on my channel about how bad it is. Neat. What's next? We do save switch. That thing could outspeed and murder Kabuki. Didn't need to, but again, safe is way better than sorry. I'd like to conserve some memories in our box. I just have I have a vague idea of some of the encounters we can possibly get coming up. Oh, well, I know quite a few of the encounters that are available in this game. This is where you get the this optional, well, an optional item. Or candy. Cool. Now I need to push it up to see if this is. Oh, this is just a totally viable way to go. Huh. Ah, there's the snag. Or a filter, that's the second one. Good if we need our tanky Pokemon, which we will. Now this person will have Shadow Pokemon, because this is the way of progress. Elena. I have a female card so far. Interesting. Gengar and Tauros, I think the blue black Gengar is a Shadow. Correct. We go Crush Claw. Oh, that's evil. Fuck it, we will. Yeah, I didn't think so. No, they do follow the trend in Sun and Moon or Gen 7. Jengar's ability to change from Levitate to Shadow Tag. Oh, come on. So they kept this. Now, I'm actually not too informed on whether that was a nerf or not. I consider it a nerf because it gave it weakness and it... Oh... I need this. Toro was dead yesterday. Nice. What did that Gengar do? Shadow Madness. I don't recall what this does. Ooh. Okay. This Electabuzz is also Shadow if I remember correctly. We're gonna lose Houndoom here, gonna be honest. Shadow Crush. Yeah. But... Is Shadow Madness having health? Yes. Okay, so it's Shadow's it's nature's madness. Shadow. Really paranoid about Zangoose. I don't want to lose Zangoose. Stay in the ball. Go on. That's not what staying in the ball is. Oh, okay, cool. I'm gonna lose Zangoose now once I change up my move. Shadow Bolt. This maybe Gengar. Maybe Gengar only has Shadow Madness. Ah well. Better than getting wiped for genuinely no reason. Shadow faded away, and what's your last Pokemon? Meganium. Shadow or no? No shit. Yeah. We'll just delete you real quick. Meganium. Yeah, the worst starter. Oh my god. Can I stop getting all the misses and the crits and the flinches today? I am actually sick and fucking tired of it. Just die. And you, Gengar, stay in the wall. Go away, Meganim, thank you. I don't know if leech seeds still go through. Actually, not too sure on how the procedure works. Yeah. I have to buy more healing items. Which is what I'm doing. Okay, that's manageable. Oh yeah, being silly. One, two, three. Are you joking? I've a bit of damage. Yeah, electable's flat somewhere. We can't recatch that, so that's another thing in the mirror views loophole that will annoy me whenever I get a ping. No, I'm starting to become a little bit tone deaf with it. I'm losing so many Pokemon so quickly that I don't care that I'm dead. Actually, better defenses than Sengus. With that being said, I'm gonna make you more resistant. For the final area of this game, you may just look around a shadow Pokemon with this because being able to tank hits is quite good. Went here to get some more just items. That's the wrong place. Oh, isn't lucky to go in there now. I guess I'm mistaken. Oops. I actually have this song on my playlist. Whatever. Like personal plans with music. Is it just Fennec City is my best choice? Revives. I don't miss you. And but not Nuzlocke, it's already I'm fighting for my life items. Saying how much Zangoose and Gengar go down just from like walking around there? A little bit, not so much. That's fine. At the time, I think we'll leave it there. No, we didn't do too much today, but it was better than nothing. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.